This is the baby.
Eat the lollipop. Eat the lollipop.
Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today we are going to see how to make jaggery candy, and this is very rich in iron, and let's see how to prepare it. For preparing this candy we need half kg jaggery, 2 cardamoms powder and a piece of ginger, half lemon juice, and let's see how to prepare it. First of all, add a little bit of water and melt the jaggery well. See how I am doing it. As I am doing it, you can also do it. Now cut the ginger into small pieces, slices, or you can even smash it. I am showing both the ways. You can do in whichever way you want. And now add the smashed ginger and mix it well and let the jaggery melt. Meanwhile, also brush some oil in the plate which we have to pour the melted jaggery, and keep the plate aside. Now we have to prepare also some water that the plate can be kept under. We should keep some cold water so that the jaggery gets cooled fast. And now we will see. I have now sieved the jaggery after it is melted, after adding cardamom and ginger. And now again it is starting to boil, and when it is boiling also add half lemon juice. Keep stirring, and you can see now how the consistency is. See the consistency, it's not so watery, it has thickened a little more, it has to be thickened. So you can see it is fully frothy. See, it should be like this as I am showing, not so thick. If it is so thick you can't pull it. Now we have to pour it. It's ready. Now you can see how much the color has changed. I am keeping more video because you will know the difference. Now it's ready and we can make the shape which we want and serve it in an airtight container. We can give this candy to kids as it is not harmful, it's very good, healthy, rich in iron, and there is no preservative, it's fully natural. I hope so you guys love this candy and you do try this at your home and let me know your comments. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Until next, take care. Bye.